Welcome, welcome. I'm going to give you a super quick tip tonight that will increase your engagement. And you can do this before you post. And you can also do it throughout the day as well. So I'll give you an extra bonus tip if you hang around on how you can actually use this to kind of, I guess, milk the algorithm and I guess spread this out throughout the day. And this will work on any single platform. It is going to be a super quick one because I have a ton of work to do. I have 4 new monthly clients starting after the weekend. So I am really under the pump. I'm going to get off and do that. And if you are new here, my name is Melissa Mitchell. I own a marketing agency. We specialize in organic marketing. So if that is a term that is new to you, that is using marketing methods that don't require paid advertising, etc. And it is a strategy that I have developed myself. It has taken me numerous amount of years to perfect it, and I'm really proud of it. So we have some new team members joining the team, and they are all across it. It is something that I've personally developed. As I've said, I've worked really, really hard on it for a number of years, and now the team are all across it. So if that is something that you need in your business, get in touch and we'd be happy to help you with it. So super quick tip that you can do, and you can try this before you post. As I said, it will work on any single platform. LinkedIn, Facebook, page, profile, Instagram, TikTok, it doesn't matter what platform you're on, it will work. So what you want to do now, of course, if you are scheduling your posts, well, actually you can do this, but you just have to time it with the time that you've scheduled your post. What you want to do is you want to jump on right before you post and actually go in and start interacting. Oops, sorry, that was, hang on, I'm just going to turn that down because I'm going to use my phone as an example here. But of course, I'm live, so it is, yeah, I'm going to interrupt the live there. What you want to do is go on and start interacting with content. So whether that's a group, other people's posts, people that have already commented, it doesn't actually matter. Essentially, what you're doing is, I guess, warming up the algorithm. You're not really warming up the algorithm. The algorithm is always there. Like, it depends on how active you are, but that's probably, for lack of better words, it's Friday. I can't think. My brain is absolutely fried, but let's say warming up the algorithm there. So you're going on and you're starting to engage. You're letting the platform know that you're there and you're engaging. So you're engaging in groups with comments on your own posts, on other people's posts. It doesn't matter. Just engage. It does include DMs as well, particularly on platforms like Instagram. Instagram is really pushing for connections in direct messages hugely, like you wouldn't believe. But any single platform really wants you to connect through messaging. You have to remember, it is called social media. It wants you to be social. So go on for about 5 or 10 minutes before and connect with people. Comment. Now, as a bonus tip, you actually want to comment within your niche. So if you're building a brand or you're in a particular niche, comment within your niche. Remember, if you've watched any of my content before, you know that I have spoken and said that the algorithm is you. So you want to connect with like-minded individuals in your industry. Then the algorithm is going to bring people in your industry back to you. That is how an algorithm works. If you are randomly engaging on your platform with content that does not resonate with your industry, you are telling the algorithm that you don't know who to bring you. So an example of this that I always bring up is if you go into a supermarket, let's say Coles, and you scan your Flybuys card, your rewards card, if you're watching overseas, so just a general rewards card, and you always buy dog food and bananas. That card essentially is, I guess, like an algorithm. You are telling them what your shopping habits are, your consumer behavior is. They then put a marketing strategy campaign together and they market you via email dog food and bananas because they know you always buy it. They know whether you pay by card, cash. They know the days that you shop, whether you buy 2 for 1, etc. So they put together a marketing campaign. And the algorithm is exactly the same. You are telling the algorithm what you want, so it gives more of that back. So it's really important when you do this that you are engaging with your exact audience. So once you've done this for 5 or 10 minutes, you're engaging, DMing, etc., then you do your post. Then you're going to repeat this process again for another 5 or 10 minutes. This works really well. So as I was saying before, it can work if you are scheduling your post. You just have to remember that you've scheduled your post. So obviously, for an agency, it's really hard for us to do this because we're scheduling for multiple different clients. But for you, if you are running your own brand, building your own socials, building up a connection with your audience, then this is a really easy thing for you to do to increase your engagement. It is so easy. It works really, really well and is actionable and it is free. Now, as a bonus tip, as I was saying at the start, you can also use this to increase your engagement and your traffic organically without paying for it by doing this 3 times a day. And how you do that is literally break up your day 3 times a day, morning, midday, evening, and jump on for, say, 20 minutes at a time. You don't even have to be posting, but jump on 3 times a day and do this same process. Engage with your audience, connect with people, get back to people in the messages. But again, it's really, really important that you stick to your niche and your industry. So you are telling the algorithm what you want to see, what you want brought back to you. And you're teaching the algorithm, you're cleaning up your feed, you're allowing to come in what your exact audience that you want to, you want brought to you. Do this 3 times a day, and this will work as well. So 2 things: do it before you post, and as soon as you post, do it afterwards. So for 5 or 10 minutes, and do it 3 times a day. And I can guarantee you will start to get better reach and engagement. This works really, really well as well if you want to fix your algorithm. So perhaps you're noticing that you're not getting as great reach, your posts aren't getting the reach that they used to, or you have dropped the ball. You want to maybe do a bit of a cleanup, a little bit of a facelift in your account. Maybe you're about to have a sale or something where you really want to get as much eyeballs, real estate, onto, when I say real estate, I'm not talking about the real estate industry. I'm just talking about, traffic onto your content. Then do this as well because it will work. So that is my tips and my wisdom for tonight. A short one. Just wanted to jump on and share that. If you are watching on every single channel except LinkedIn, you'll find this feature I'm about to mention. Head to my bio, and if you go on there, you'll see a link there for a free newsletter. You can click on that and subscribe. I do a free newsletter weekly for DIY marketing hacks, so you can join that. I'd love to see you on there, where I share my free marketing hacks. If you are on LinkedIn, every single Sunday night I publish an article so either or, you can join the newsletter that way on LinkedIn as well. If you're not on LinkedIn, you can still access that article because I have the article set to public, which means that anyone on or off LinkedIn can actually view that article. So that is also free. If you are a business owner and you would like done for you social media management, you can get in touch with myself or my agency as well. So that is it. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I have a ton of work to do, so I'm going to jump off. And thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, or share. And if you are watching this after the live has ended and you do have any questions, make sure you drop them below. If you are watching on YouTube, do subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. See you then. Bye.